Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial, how to send Ethereum from KuCoin to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just looking for a quick refresh, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and secure. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Phantom wallet. Phantom is a popular wallet for Ethereum and other tokens, so if you haven't already, download the app and create or import your wallet. Now, log into your KuCoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section and find your Ethereum balance. Next, open your Phantom wallet app on your phone or browser extension. Go to the Receive section for Ethereum and copy your wallet address. This is crucial. Double-check that it's the correct address to avoid any irreversible mistakes. Pro tip: always verify the network. For Ethereum, make sure it's on the Ethereum mainnet. Back on KuCoin, navigate to the withdrawal page for Ethereum. Paste the wallet address you copied from Phantom, then enter the amount of Ethereum you want to send. Don't forget to check the transaction fees. KuCoin might charge a small network fee, so adjust your amount accordingly to cover it. Before you hit confirm, review everything one more time. This includes the address, amount, and destination network. Once you're confident, click confirm and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, head back to your Phantom wallet and refresh it. You should see your Ethereum arrive shortly. And there you have it. That's how you transfer ETH from KuCoin to Phantom in 2025. Remember, crypto transactions are final, so always prioritize security. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.